All right, we're back. I apologize. Wait for you guys to come back, I guess. That was oopsies on my part. That was a silly goose movement. Let me make sure that we're alive here. Indiana. Yeah. That was silly goose moment on my part. We'll let it come back. It's staying relatively bullish for now. There he is. Okay, that was my bad, Mr. Decoy. I accidentally crashed Streamlabs. The whole thing shut down. I pressed a button that apparently I'm just not supposed to press. Which, I don't know, it worked fine before, and this time switching back, it was like, nah, fam, we don't do that. So yeah. So we'll run with this theme then. If this is what Decoy wants, this is what we do, right? We just do what Daddy Decoy wants. You guys will just have to figure the news out yourself. We do have a little bit of news right at open today. Oh, you know what? That news might have been wrong, to be honest. It's 8:30 a.m. EST. So yeah, that's at 7:30 a.m. We have PPI. Yeah, I probably missed your last comment. What did you say, Mr. Decoy? Did you just tell me how beautiful I am and how much you love me? Because that's all I want to hear. The self-validation. Honestly, like, I don't hate the short right now. Do I short an NQ? Like, what's 918? I have to take 8 points of risk. Like, honestly, considering it. Alright, let me do something real quick. Let me turn. I have to 10. Or hold on. Make this slim so you guys can't see my shit. Slim mode. There. Now I can trade and you guys won't see my Oh, I'm glad I didn't take the short. I said this one is super simple where the last one was mostly complex. Something in the middle where it's bigger charts. Something in the middle where it's bigger charts, but still has a spot for news, upper lower targets, also a big camera for pretty face. Here, I can okay, I don't know what this is. Oh, that's the poll. I can delete the poll. Yes. There. Is that better, Mr. Decoy? Is that better for you? I can just make the whole thing my face and you guys just don't see the stream at all. That's what I prefer, honestly. So you guys can just appreciate how beautiful I am. I feel like that's maybe the right size. Maybe. Vibes. Could be smaller, honestly. But oh well. We'll chill for now. I'm still thinking about this NQ short. Maybe I'll do it. I like the short. We're at yesterday's IBH. Maybe we bust above. I'm not taking it for now. I like it. Some people stream games with no cam. I can stream market with no charts. Right. I know the stock market live dude streams with like no camera. But he's so like well established as like a radio show, more or less, that he does a good job at that. I don't know. I like seeing when I watch people stream, I like seeing their face and seeing how like active they are in what they're doing, right? It'd be super chill if my it's just taking a while to load. I don't even think my power trades have loaded yet. Are they loaded yet? No, they haven't. I don't know if you noticed, Decoy, but yesterday, right at yesterday's close, you know how we like dumped forever? There was a power trade literally right here at the bottom, and we just ripped from there. Like, it was literally the bottom was the power trade from yesterday. So that's something to watch. Maybe the bottom's in. Maybe it's not. Projecting right off Decoy's Doom level. Unfinished auction at the top, though, so we're vibing. The temptation to short is so real. I'm gonna do it. Like a 7-point stop. So, not a whole lot. That's pretty much like, we also get power trade. Yeah, yesterday's was big though, right? Yesterday's power trade at close, if you go back and look at it, it's literally right at the low of day, and it was like pretty juicy size. Like there was a lot of volume there. That's the only reason I put any value into it whatsoever. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Do I set the break even? Considering it. Ooh, that's nice. It's nice. Scrumptious even. Scrumptious. Ooh, I'm gonna set the break even. Hell yeah. Banana bread? Hell yeah. Delicious. See if I can get the continuation or if it's just gonna poopy out here. No. Nope. There we go. Oh no, it looks like I want to see that wick get ran. Run that Rick. Run that Rick. Run that wick, baby. Nah, it doesn't look like we're gonna run the wick. Oh, maybe we'll run the wick. I don't know. I don't know. Either way, I got my break even set, so worst case scenario, we make a whole 2 points. What is that, like a couple dollars? But I like this top here. I like this level. I want to see it. I want to see it flush. It might not flush though. It's being kind of, yeah. See, Delta's coming back up. I want to see Delta. I want to see God go max leverage short. Right. That's what I want to see out of this. I don't think it's going to though. Yeah, she came back. Oh well. We didn't lose money. What a wick. Yeah, right. Like, kind of poopy. I wanted to see that wick get ran, but she's remaining bullish. Remaining bullish. For now, at least. But hey, it was a good attempt. We had a good entry. Low risk. I wanted to see us bust this bottom here. But, oh well. Oh well. Yeah, unfinished auction at the high of day. Not the best, but I don't know. It just looked so scrumptious. So scrumptious. I enjoyed it. I liked it. Deco also says, the other comment you said, you've been vibing, just charting your own levels and using power trades as they come intraday. That's what I had been doing too. Like, I'll chart my levels, and then if a power trade happens within my levels, that gives me like more bias towards that levels. If I get a power trade at initial balance, like high or low, or at one of my levels, that gets me like all sorts of like hot and bothered and excited. That's kind of what that's what I had been watching for. Instead of like just charting the level just because there's a power trade there. Because like, especially during that really high volume time we were having, we were getting too many power trades. But when I changed it up a little bit and just started focusing on the ones at the areas I was interested in and using that for confirmation, then you can use that power trade as like a, especially on ES, you can use that power trade like as your stop, right? I would start putting my stop on the opposite side of the power trade and getting in when it got there, and there was a pretty high like win rate. So that's what I've been enjoying doing. And that there, folks, is why we set a break even. We would have got stopped AF. Never marry your trade, just marry your entry. Believe your entry is the top. Or the bottom. However you vibe, you know? Whichever way you swing. Now that's a good top. That's a good top. We're getting relatively close to news time though, so I may just vibe. I may just vibe. Gang, gang. How'd you end up yesterday, Mr. Decoy? How was your day? Like, did you win? Did you get some fat dubs? Yeah, Delta's a little too strong, right? We are right at your 08 level. 48.10, I think, is the top of my power trade from Friday. 1 stop, 2 break even, 2 wins. Plus 550 on 2 accounts. You were using the copy trader too. I remember that. Like, GG, sir. That is a fantastic, delicious, yum yum type of day. You know? Like, that's what you want. That's what we're here for. That's what the people come here for. Types of days like that, right? Delicious. Honestly, I've been trading NQ like a lot. I watched it all last week, and I didn't trade it last week till like Friday. And then I started trading it Friday and then yesterday, and it's like so clean right now. I don't know. I stopped trading NQ a couple months ago because it was just being so not clean, and ES was being super clean, right? But then like the last 2 weeks, ES has been like really not clean. I don't know, we've been wicking a lot of our levels, had some indecision, right? When there's indecision in the market, ES becomes a little bit more grindy and not as clean, and then NQ will be a little bit more clean. And the volume's been a little lower, so I switched to NQ, and I've been doing like pretty well. And I've been trading the NQ setups as I'm waiting for ES to come around. And then that's been actually working pretty well. And you know, I'll still take my ES setup when I get one that's really clean. But like yesterday, I didn't get a single setup on ES. Like I literally got there was nothing juicy yesterday on ES. Nothing. Besides this kind of initial balance test here. But even then, like when you were watching Delta and stuff, like it grinded this for like 20 minutes. It was just not good. We could have longed the retest of IBH and had to wait a while, but we would have had 10 points now. Yeah. Didn't really like I said, it's just been grinding it, right? It's been not super clean. I mean, I realize it's only wicking it by like a point or two. I just don't like when it grinds, right? I like a nice clean like tap and go. The grinds are always what gets me. Because I mean, up until the rip, like honestly, I thought I was kind of bear biased, and then we busted above. We busted it. Let's look at our 15-minute charter. But see, what a scam yesterday's sell-off was. What a freaking scam. That is such a hilarious scam. Like, look at that. Just to completely erase it overnight. That's hilarious. Is that top good? Kind of. This kind of looks delicious. I'm not gonna take it. I refuse. I refuse. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm not gonna do it. Yesterday's sell-off was a scam. LOL. 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 You would have had almost 10 points. We would have had quite a bit now had we just longed that retest. Like I said, I don't know, right here, it was, in my opinion, it was like, it's a 50-50 shot. You know, you got to make the choice. I don't got a strong bias. I can't even look at the low and see if it was finished in auction because my stuff won't load. It's like once a week, Rhythmic just like is like, nah, fam, we don't load data anymore. We're no longer a data provider. That's how it feels, at least. Hold on just a second. I'm gonna blow my nose. I will be right back. Did I break it? No, I didn't. Okay. I have returned. Now we're 15 minutes from news. So we're just gonna vibe. We'll wait until news comes out and then we'll make our daily plan. See if it does anything. Financial juice. Well, let's see. Let's see here. This weekend's supposed to be cold. You know, it's like somewhat hilarious in the motocross community. People are just like, there's this weird group of people that are like super anti-electric dirt bike because they're starting to come out with electric dirt bikes now. And they're like super against it. It's like, it's gonna kill the sport. I want to hear the noise. It's just like, it's not gonna kill the sport, but like, this gives us a chance to like, so many dirt bike tracks have closed due to like sound regulations and stuff, because like people are like, hey, let's build a fucking community next to a dirt bike track and then sue the dirt bike track for making noise, which is annoying. So like it just opens up so much more riding. It just makes me mad that people are so dumb. People are so dumb. I think the internet was like cool and all, like Facebook was like a cool thought, but then everyone realized like, oh hey, people are actually like a bunch of idiots. Like people shouldn't be able to communicate with each other like that. I also want a Subaru. Yeah, electric vehicles and stuff, like, it's all, like, people are like, oh, this sucks. It's like, well, give it time to develop. It'll be great. Like, just give them some time to, like, make it good. When the first gas-powered car came out, that thing was a hunk of garbage. You know? Electric is hard to do. But I want a Subaru. A 2007 Subaru Impreza WRX. And I want to make it look like the one that I like. You know, the iconic one, right? The blue iconic one. You know, the iconic Subaru blue. This thing right here. I want that. That's my dream car. That's my dream car right there. I would drive this so much. And I don't even need it to be like, I don't need the interior to be all like roll caged and like rallied out. I actually want like a nice, like, I want something nice that I can drive down the highway and it's quiet inside. But I want the exterior to look like a race car, you know? That's what I want. Because that's sick. This is the car that made me this is the car that made me a car guy, right? Like when I saw this like for the first time, I was like, that's fucking cool. The Mitsubishi Evo. Let me pull. Oh my gosh. Just let me highlight only when I want to highlight. Why? Why does it do this? Like, I just can't highlight. I hate technology sometimes. Ooh, yeah. Here's the thing, though. Here's the thing about the Mitsubishi Evo. It's a Mitsubishi. Garbage. It's garbage. I'm just kidding. I'm assuming you meant this one. See, I don't hate it. That's more street though, right? The Evo's always had kind of a street vibe because it has more of a rally vibe. The Evo decked out to be a street car looks pretty sick. I will give them, like, that is sick right there. If I had an Evo, like, that's the look I'm going for. I would probably do white. Okay, so where he's got the red, I would probably do that as white. Just because I kind of like that white look. I don't mind the red either, though. The red looks sick. I think I would do white with red underglow. But that's so sick. I'm going to show you the car I have right now, though. VW Cabrio. This is the car I got in my garage right now. I mean, doesn't that just scream absolute freaking boss right there? Like, look at that and tell me, like, you don't think just, like, raw speed. Like, you look at that and you're like, wow, that dude is an absolute animal. No way I would ever be able to compare to him on a race course. You know? I think that's what people think. The guy with the frickin' Subaru that I want says he's always wanted an Evo. Good morning, Seth. I kind of want to do that with my Cabrio, though. Not with the mirror. I think the mirror being way forward is dumb. Maybe something like that. I mean, I bought the car for literally $2,000. Right? So, like, it's not like it's a big investment. Looks like people dumping some contracts right before PPI comes out. What a beautiful look we have here compared to yesterday. It's doing the same thing. Get up to that level and dump. Full reversal 15-minute candle. Delicious. News comes out in 6 minutes. I need to add opening range. And 8:30 a.m. to 9. Oh, it's like actually saving it now. That's lit. There we go. Let that load. That did not pull up opening range. That pulled up the wrong time frame. Object manager, opening range. Apply change. What if I do like 7:30? Apply changes, and then do 8:30. Apply changes. I just feel like that's wrong. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not wrong. But I feel like that's definitely. Oh no, that's pulling it up. It's pulling up the right opening range. We're just way above it on NQ. My B fam. My B fam. I thought we were closer to IB. Instead, we're not. Oh, yeah. 69 Chevelle. That is like also like when it comes to muscle car. When it comes to muscle car, like the 69 through the 72 are like an iconic car. I think we talked about this one time. I want 19. Oops, not 61. 71. Here we go. That's not the right. It doesn't have the right wheels on it. I want the blue one with the right wheels. Blue. You're leaving for work? I love you. Have a good day. I don't know, 69 through 72 are like just an iconic Chevelle. But like, I want that. I want the blue. That's not the right blue. There's a certain one that I absolutely love. But like, I want like that blue with the white, right? Oops. I want like that color blue with the white stripes. Yeah, like that color blue with the white stripes. And then what I want though is I want an all modern interior, right? I want that 69 like that 69 to 72 era Chevelle decked out, making it look just like that. But then I want a yeah, we totally talked about this. But then I want this interior, right? I want this interior right here inside of a 1969 Chevelle. Or 1969 to 72 Chevelle with that interior right there. I think would just be the absolute sickest car. Like that would be so sick. Something to where it's comfortable to drive. Because if you've ever driven one, like those things kind of suck to drive. They're really loud inside, and they're like, their steering isn't like, you know, the best. I mean, it's from the 70s, right? It's not. I mean, it's still a good car. Like it's got mad horsepower, but it's not the most comfortable. I guess I would say it's not the most comfortable thing to drive, right? Whereas, also PPI's coming out. We're ripping. We must have ripped pretty hard because my stuff froze. Yeah, we're going up. I should have put on a YOLO contract, I guess. I didn't even really think about it. But yeah, positive PPI. Lit. So that's jazz, baby. I'm gonna go ahead and bounce, I guess. Go get myself ready for the day. PPI, very positive, so we're on the Ripper train. You guys all be safe today. Have fun. Not it starting right at your 08 level, right? So everyone be safe today. Have a fantastic one. Be smart, be safe. And yeah, come tomorrow and tell me how you guys did. We will see y'all. Mm-hmm.